discuss about the exterior angle property. Here, exterior angle property means an exterior angle of a triangle. This is the exterior angle of a triangle. Here I have taken 115 degree, and an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. These are the opposite interior angles. Let us see the property by working model. Here I am moving this angle, this is 60 degree, and then I will rotate this angle, this is 55 degree. Here we have taken the two interior opposites angle of a exterior angle, and this is the sum of interior angles 55 plus 60, that is here what they have given is 115 degree. So this proves that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Thank you.